My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to do a pop, shove it. Okay, so the pop shove it is a great trick. I guess we should start with the shove it. Before you throw the pop into your shove it, learn a shove it, because I think that is the easiest, if not literally one of the easiest tricks after you, yes you, get very good at riding your skateboard. Just get comfortable on the board. I'm not gonna stop saying it, I'm gonna keep saying it. People are making memes about it. So when the memes start, you gotta just keep them rolling. Okay, so the shove it is like so. You basically have your front foot on there about like that right there. The trick to this is you barely take your front foot off and your back foot curls around the side and pushes straight back. So your front foot barely comes off. I'm gonna rotate it on my knee so you can kind of see it goes like this. Doot, boop. Just literally barely comes off. The back foot curls around the side, shoves straight back, and the front foot barely comes up and off that board, just barely. So once you get really good at that shove it, and then make sure you get super comfortable at it. There are some practice steps you can do to that as well, which I suppose are worth mentioning. So a good practice step, and probably the best one, is that you shove and take your back foot off. Shove, take your back foot off. You always, on this trick, always want to leave your front foot on. This is a point of control because it holds your board down like that so that your board is not going to rotate this way or that way, which is a definite problem and will cause you some issues if you do that. So your front foot is flat like that. Let's say you do the pop shove it might go like that. Then you're going to land primo. Ouch, fall, hurt, pain, bad. So you leave your front foot on, the board goes up, comes around, goes down. So after you have the shove it, I think it's rather easy to throw the pop in because you're comfortable like this, you can land it, you're feeling good on the board, everything is working out for you. So then all you do is add in just a dip of your ankle. Your ankle is gonna dip down as it pops and scoops back. It's a very specific motion down and back, and then the board pops up. Your front foot hovers just over the board to keep it steady. You catch it with your front foot and then drop it down, land bolts, make sure you're bending your knees, and then roll away like a boss. So again, you're gonna pop, scoop with that back foot, keep your front foot on, land, and roll away. Okay, some great practice steps for this is the same thing, same exact thing. Pop it with your back foot and step off with your back foot. Leave your front foot on, that's your point of control. That's gonna keep your board steady. That's gonna keep your board caught right underneath you. Good, boom. Some people, when they get really good at this trick, like Nigel is really good at this trick, you can do it in all kinds of different variations. He's gonna show us all the different variations that he can do, like, I don't know, he like kicks his back leg out and he just makes it look so cool.
Hello, my friends.
Begin explanation.
Explanation of pop shove it my way. There's 3 different pop shove it's you can do. Why do I keep doing these dumb accents? I don't know what happened. Anyways, there's 3 different ways I do pop shove it's. I do my boosty pop shove it's where I put my foot right here, kind of in the center of the tail almost, and that is like a pop down swipe forward motion. Then you got your quick ones, which I put my foot pretty much the same area, but with your ankle you're gonna do a pop, like it's a flick. So you gotta like pop flick. And then you got the super steezy ones where it's all ankle, it's no leg bend. You just literally pop down, snap real quick, and then get your front foot out of there and then your back foot out of the way. And I hope that was a good enough explanation in these videos that are gonna be shown while this explanation is going on. Will help you in your road to pop shoveting. Either like Aaron or myself, or like Gabe, or like Glow, or like anybody, or like yourself. Anyway, some pop shove it's, I use my whole leg and press down, and that's gonna give you more pop up and less steez. And then some of them, I just use my ankle, and I got a slow moment, like it's like a, and that's where you get the steez shove from. That's like the easiest way I can explain it. Like if you could turn the camera around and look at this, phone. It's wonderful. No one's paying attention. Gabe just now tuned in. Aaron, your head is so skinny, Aaron. Look at it. It's like a... that was like the best I could explain it, I think. I don't know how else I would explain my ankle popping. Practice steps, get out there and start just popping them. You gotta get comfortable with the pop shove it before you start steezing it. But when you get comfortable with the pop shove it, SMS, is it SMS 1? Pop shove it? Go get that. Aaron Kyro, he'll teach you how to pop shove, and then come back to this video and then watch my flicky ankle pop shoves. And then you go out there and you try that, and you'll get it. I believe in you.
Doesn't get better than that. Me, on the other hand, I can just do a shove it. I can't make it look cool. I'll do my best in here to throw a couple like cool looking ones in there for you. But at the end of the day, if you can get the board to do that, pop and shove it around and land it, you're good, you're golden, you've got this. You've added another trick under your belt. And then once you've got it really good, then you can start working on your style, making it look cool. And then you can take it to a 3-stair, you can take it to a 5-stair, take it off the 3 block. I wouldn't recommend that until you're very, 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 very good at the pop shove it. Okay, some things that can go wrong with this trick are when you pop it, you kind of give like a little bit too much motion in your back foot, and then it'll turn. Either way, really, it can turn and you can land primo. I see this happening a lot. Skater's going, he goes to do a pop shove it, his board kind of goes like that, lands like that, and then he falls over. So that's probably the #1 most common thing. Another one is your board could not do the full 180 rotation and it could go like that, just part of the way. So in order to fix that, just go back to that practice step, just keep working it. I think if you guys actually follow the practice steps and you just put enough time into that and you are comfortable riding your skateboard, then I think you're gonna get this trick, and it's really, really good one. This trick is from Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1, and there are a few tricks in that video that I go over before I go over this one. But like I said, you can also start with this one. But the actual tricks that I set before this one is an Ollie, front side 180, back side 180, and then after that, take it up into the pop shove it. I specifically chose the tricks in that order because I feel like it's the least amount of complexity. The Ollie, your board just goes up like this, and then you're literally doing the same thing with turning your head and shoulders for both the front and back side 180. And then the pop shove it is the first trick in the series where the board leaves your feet and is doing a different rotation under your feet, and then you have to catch it. So there's an added level of complexity into that. So if you get really good at the Ollie, front 180, back 180, the pop shove it is going to come easier. A really, really good thing to keep in mind, and I do think that will help your skating a lot. One thing that has helped me a lot with my pop shove it's recently is consciously remembering to keep my front foot down. It almost feels like my front leg is like kind of straight, and it feels like it's holding the board down from popping. But what it actually does is just keeps the board flat in the air so I can actually pop it and make it flip around. So that for me was like a big help. So for your foot position, what I do is I kind of turn my front foot a little bit like that right here, and then my back foot just right there so it can just pop and shove backwards, and I can keep my front foot close to that board. A tip that Nigel told me that he feels like helps him a lot is he kind of like shoves down and forward with his back foot as he's like scooping it out. So that causes his board to go forward in front of him. And that's why he gets these like crazy cool looking pops that pop forward, and he can leave his back foot in the air, catch it with his front foot, and then land, and it looks so good. But I feel like this is a skill that's like after you've gotten really good at the pop shove-its and you're ready to take them to the next level, then bust that out. So get good at this trick. It's a great trick for a game of skate. You'd be surprised, it's a very basic trick, but a lot of times, even though it's a basic trick, people will miss it. You never know. It can help you out in your games of skate, and then you can throw it down the 3-stair, throw it down the 5-stair. You could do it on any obstacle. You could do it over the pyramid, on the A-frame, whatever. have fun with this trick. I hope you guys are having a blast learning how to skateboard. If you have any questions or you need any help on any tricks, leave us a comment below. You never know, we might end up making a full video just because you left that comment. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, it is your time to learn how to skateboard. Let's go get everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.